hi guys. So let's see what can happen tomorrow in our market. So tomorrow is 6th November. November. So technically we'll see, and Shankly what I feel I'll let you know. So technically what I feel is tomorrow there is a ascending CPR. Okay, ascending CPR. That means ascending CPR as well as it's a narrow CPR. So ascending and narrow CPR. So the logic is very simple. If the candle is opening above this, that means still the trend on the upside direction will be happening. And if the candle is opening somewhere over here, then understand maybe a drop down can be possible. That's all. So narrow CPR in Nifty, but BN में अलग problem है. So narrow CPR a little bit trend can happen. ऐसा बोल रहा है. So over here the same logic, CPR logic, nothing special. So if the candle is opening in between CPR and R1, if it doesn't break, it will try to go up. But doesn't break this point, it will come down to the CPR. The same logic over here. The candle is opening in between CPR and S1. If it doesn't break down below this, go back to the CPR. Or else वो CPR touch करता है, नीचे नहीं गिरा. Then it will jump back to R1 or maybe the same scenario. Just यहाँ पे return में देख लेना. So technically I think वही है, कुछ ज़्यादा देखते कल भी रुलाएगा सुबह सुबह and then छोटा सा एक झटका, then थोड़ा रुलाएगा and झटका, like that I'm feeling. So very good support at 19,200. ऊपर का तो 19,332 is a level to watch in. और नीचे गिरता है तो वही 19 अपना psychological 19,100. Or else it will be in range, 19,210 या 19,332. That's what I feel in Nifty baby. And the problem comes in our BN baby. So BN, the problem is it's a one-liner CPR. So BN, the problem is it's a one-liner CPR. Okay, so that might be a problem. Or else अगर कोई अच्छा news base हो तो मजा आएगा. So ascending है the day CPR, it's a one-liner CPR. अगर कैंडल ये दोनों लेवल के अंदर अटक गया कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Only up and down, up and down. Is it clear? So technically, if the candle is in between, so tomorrow if the candle is in between, ये इसके अंदर maybe 43,414 and this previous low line or S1 साथ में, then you will get nothing in the market, only scalping. Or if the candle opens above this point, or if it withstands to break this and go up, then a rally can happen. Or लेकिन रैली होने के लिए the candle should be above this. इसके ऊपर होना चाहिए तब जाके रैली मिलेगा. और else क्या करेगा, यहाँ से ऊपर होकर ऊपर भी गया, चीटिंग करके वापस नीचे आता है. That's what I have seen. Okay, so now that is what the problem is. One liner CPR है. So 43,400 and previous से low line पे अटक गया तो technically I don't think कुछ मिलने वाला है. Okay, so it's not a narrow, it's a one liner CPR. But yes, if the candle opens above this point tomorrow, that means still the chances of upside, मतलब अभी भी ऊपर जाने की संभावना, like that you can say. So that was technically what the market wants to tell you. Shankly I will tell you, but Shankly, that's what I'm blindly don't believe in that. Shankly I'll just see. Shankly क्या लग रहा है मेरे को, I'll just tell you. Shankly what I feel is Shankly what I feel, I'm just telling you. ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को, ऐसा आएगा कुछ. और so it's a Diwali na, so maybe a flying rocket head pattern is what I'm feeling tomorrow. So flying rocket head is what I'm expecting tomorrow in the market. But let's see. अपना market पागल है. So maybe follow the direction of jail bar, CPR, bulb and arrow, जो कुछ है, whatever you have learned from me, सब use करो और देखो सब हाँ बोलता है क्या. And maybe tomorrow use higher time frame, 15 से 30 मिनट अगर रोएगा तो, so that you can get the clear picture कि इतना candle देख के दिमाग खा, like your mind will be just like पागल हो जाएगा इसके लिए. So that's all for the days guys. And yes, I think maybe if it just loves to pull up, तो प्लस पॉइंट क्या है, वही अपना हीरो अभी भी जिंदा रहते रहेगा. एंड मे बी ब्लू बेबी विल आल्सो गिव यू टुमारो. सो कल देखते हैं अगर इफ इट्स वही. एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज इफ इट डायरेक्टली गैप अप हो गया या गैप डाउन हो गया, देन वही है, पूरा दिन बैठ के घंटी बजाता रहेगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. बाय गाइस, सी यू. Comments are very important. Let me know. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be live in the morning because my health is good now. Don't worry.